Every MCP starter on GitHub is a hello world. You copy a template, then spend days adding auth, rate limiting, and deployment. There's a better way. 5 production-ready tools out of the box: database queries, REST API calls, file operations, web scraping, and sandboxed code execution, all with ZOD validation. API key and JWT authentication, per client rate limiting, structured JSON logging, proper MCP error codes, everything you need for production. Standard I/O for local use with Cursor and Claude Desktop. Service and events for remote deployment and team sharing. Switch with one config change. Deploy to AWS Lambda with a single CDK command. Or use Docker for any cloud. GitHub Actions CI/CD included. Get the MCP Server Starter Kit Pro for just $49. Or try the free version